I thought he never had this experience talking to girls. Num siya thang hayo leba. Itia samde ramte screen kurible ready kurise. Itia moi sil marise aro moila satito kata kati ase girlfriend ke kota kose bisi bal pai. This is me. This is not me. How go? We are how go right now.
But dry.
Driver, very dry. As we are on my way,
We're going to sing.
we are going to sing a new song unto him.
My name is Chiki.
Yo. Azi moi tul katise. Alpra.
Roll.
Nearby Samziram. Going to unbox that one new shirt. You all guys don't want me to wear check wala shirt, so आज तो दिखाएगा नया शर्ट लाया है. दिखाएगा भाई. अरे भाई
अभी तो वॉश खुली
दो. Actually, most of my friends, you don't want me to wear that check shirt, no? That is why I brought today. Latest wala. अरे अनेको shirt.
एक्सेल पाउडर का.
या अच्छा Jalukie promise do. Itu karena Nagamis kota koble zarur. No zarur. What is that zarur?
लगे.
Zarur.
लगे.
Oh lage. Ya.
लगे.
No lage.
Bisi lage.
So today.
Okay, I think the shirt is done for today.
So I will show you my kit.
He threw away the shirt. So dear subscriber, here's a proof that we are going to throw this shirt. He's no longer wearing this check shirt anymore. As per your request.
Yes, as per your request. We are going to fulfill your request.
After a while, he's going to wear a new shirt. So wait for it.
No more check. From today onward, I'm going to wear uncheck shirt. Okay. What? Romer. No soap. Ready? That's not fine, yeah. Oh, here is the soap. Come on. Is this soap? Oh. Holaibo.
Best soap,
Soap. Your soap.
No dandruff.
No dandruff with you.
No termites. No nothing. Even here won't be there. After
Body.
How big is
No
it? Comment, bro. Tak.
Bola karo.
Here are the two most famous, the biggest muscle guys in the
bro,
world.
not like that one.
Acha.
If you say this
Okay.
one, I may slip. Later, do yo.
All right, guys. As you can see,
Ilika is good, good. Ilika. Not so acidic.
here are the two biggest muscle guys in the world.
Good.
Well, two of them have come to Nagaland and traveled this far.
Wait.
Let me tell you something about the short journey of theirs. They have come this far just to wash their head in this small stream. Well, as you can see, they have a big muscles.
The name of this river?
The name of this river is called Mongloi River.
Mongloi ma.
Yes. Well, it used to be a lot of, like, the water used to be full during the monsoon season, but Nagamis koise kole tu amar khan laga Mongloi River tu pani borta thake kale bi rainy season na hua karne ita to alap salap ase dei.
तो नदी तो कि पीछे स्प्रिंग हो जाए विंटर वेले दुका सुका जाबो ना जाबो
ए सुका ना जाबो इटा तो स्प्रिंग सीजन ऑलरेडी आसे तो पानी इटा तक भी थकी आसे समर ते तो ऊपर तक भी पहुंची जाबो और बैक टू द शर्ट আমাৰ খান इटा शर्ट तो ना चला হৈ যাব अपने खान लगा रिक्वेस्ट कुरा निसना मखान इतु शर्ट तो ना चला হৈ যাব अनबॉक्सिंग
not now guys my kibin na kapra dhula bhi na
दुख पाइ हो लाइफ तो दुख पाइ हो इतु करने डियर सब्सक्राइबर मरम प्रा इतु दुइजन एकदम जवान छोकरा बॉडी भी करा আছে स्पिरिट भी करा আছে स्माइल भी बाल আছে एकदम परा আছে इतु करने হলে भी एकताते ना परा होइसे ताई दुइजन भी बेसी दुख पाए इतु करने Jawan Chukri Khan, Mon Digina, Tai Dijan ke contact Krivi.
Azila compared to actually he come across more than 50 years still then he's not unmarried man, so we see dear subscriber we should have something.
Yes, that's something everyone must understand. For the computer or the host tonight.
For tonight. Okay, I'm gonna unbox that one.
All right.
Azito, moi Jalukie pra Asia, Taikan. Taikan. Oh.
Moi Khan.
Nay.
Taikan.
Taikan. I mean.
The subscriber.
Their subscriber. Their subscribers. See, as you want me to be that one, uncheck. Uncheck also today.
No. You want me to uncheck?
This is also a type of check shot. Okay. Till then.
But still, there are a lot of good.
Come on. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, what a sexy shot.
See, dear guys.
Dear guys.
See, this is a new shirt.
This is a new shirt. Say.
There are no check patterns, but there are a lot of floral pattern here.
Wow.
See.
From today on, I'm going to wear this shirt. As you all guys don't want me to wear check. So today I'm wearing uncheck.
Uncheck.
Uncheck, whether it may be appropriate what I don't know. Till then, this is uncheck.
Only flowers.
What is this? Chinese la nisna.
Tate Chinese la tag ase.
Bin Laden. What is that?
Oh. Bin Laden to na hoila.
Moila that bin na bishi suffer sa.
Acha. That phalai dishe. As you can see, the tag is here and the shirt is here.
The shirt is here.
So we no longer need of this stupid check.
How is the look? Well.
Looks to ekdam fine ase. Chukri Khan to giriule ase. Ekdam fantastic.
How do you feel? How is the look?
Please comment
in the comment.
And subscribe
I request everyone to comment in the comment section whether it is
and subscribe in the subscribe section.
Whether इस शर्ट को अच्छा लगा तो आप लोग कमेंट पे जरूर बताइएगा कि वो शर्ट by wearing this shirt I look handsome or ugly.
Definitely handsome, bro.
Okay, man.
Full
Thank
support.
You so much. And
well, this shirt is really suiting him.
If you don't want me to wear this shirt, give this one.
All right.
Not that up one. Not thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
Yeah, I will not force you all to give this thumbs up. If all guys don't want me to wear this shirt, give thumbs down. Okay, and then here is our compare, our host of today's vlog. Okay, thank you so much, bro, for your beautiful and wonderful videography. Okay, this is Omar, and then this is not Omar. Okay, he's also wearing a new shirt. Arey, bro, kise laga, bhai? This is new parent, and actually I have visited this office, but I don't find any one here in this office. So I would like every office are not running smoothly. So I want every officer to run this office smoothly. Yeah, that's not fine. That is the reason why they are in underdeveloped. Even the road conditions, see, though it is headquarters, when I visit each and every office, it's look like everything is empty. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you don't subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like this video, give thumbs up and share the video. If you don't, what is that?
That's a lovely tag.
Oh, lovely tag.
Of the
okay.
Of the new shirt.
Okay, friend. See, he also have his own channel. If you don't subscribe yet to his channel, I'll be giving his link in my description. So do subscribe. I think he may like to request something.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Show some love. He'll be sharing some link, and please subscribe to our brothers Jilangba channel, that is Fresh Talk. We'll be keeping you with a new update. The channel name is simply in my name itself, that is Omar Daima. Okay, Omar Daima, he's a great videographer, photographer among Zealand community. So if you want to have a big shoot, बड़ा वाला शूट चाहिए तो इसको कांटेक्ट जरूर करिएगा. ठीक है, इसका चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना. Anyway, thank you so much, bro. And then from here we're going to end up, bro. We'll see you again in the next vlog. See you. Bye bye. Love you all. Take care.
Take care.